Well, hiya Bob. I thought I would put this, send you a video instead of just taking some pictures of this capacitor here that might interest you. Uh, this is the same capacitor that I use on the input to the link couple tuner, which you see in front of you. I built this link couple tuner several years ago. And this is, I believe, is the very same capacitor, so it's really a receive capacitor. It's a pretty good sized capacitor. It's got about 1600 puff capacitance, and you can see, I don't remember what I used in it, but you can see, there's some RG8 tied to it. I had some connections tied to this thing, so I don't exactly remember what I did with this. I think this may have been a loading capacitor that I may have used in a Class E transmitter. So, but I honestly don't recall. Let's stick some measurements on it here. There's the length right there, which is about 5 inches, and there's your height there, which is about 4.5 inches. And then the depth is about 2 inches. So it's a 4-section cap. If you can see here, there's a shorting strap put across it, so you can actually put in as much as you want in there. So I think I bought this several years ago from like Surplus Sales or someone like that, So it's a very same. It's if not the very same, very similar to the capacitor that I put in the link couple tuner. So let's go ahead and grab the camera here and move it over there. So this is the link couple tuner, like I said, I built. I think I built this about 20 years ago or so. And there's your link right there, and there's you can see the taps. You can see the taps over in here, and then here's a very similar capacitor here. Again, it does not have to be the plate. You don't have to have wide spacing on it because it's 50 ohms. So if you're running so you're running 50 ohms in it, you don't have to worry about arcing in that particular case. So you can see here I use these are a couple of vacuum variables that are actually chain driven. So anyway, this link couple, I don't use this link couple too often here in this downstairs shack. I actually use the Johnson Matchbox most of the time. I use this one when I get on 160. You can see ladder line, going out and all that. So it's basically all connected. Sorry about the jiggles. It's all connected to the Class E transmitter here, and when there's the modulator and there's the RF deck. But the main thing I wanted to show you was the capacitor, and I hope that answered your questions.